There you go. Got the new tires on, new red caps. Put the Cragar center caps on, new lug nuts for the front. And it's got piston valve covers, cap covers. And we got this. I gave everything a quick blacking out. It'll be satin when it's dark. Plenty of room black behind here. I want to go mount one on and try it. See what we got. That's a nice look. So, I'm gonna go try it. There you go. Let's go do some mountain or something. Okay, we're off to mount slick number 2. We mounted slick number 1. And somebody, I won't, his name will remain nameless, forgot the second tube. What do you think that is?
I don't know, this train start moving, I'm gonna start down.
We gotta get there quick, that's all I gotta say. Come on, everybody off the train, we gotta go. See, now if there wasn't trees on the other side, I would jump the tracks. Just to prove to you I could do it. But, you know, lucky for you, there's trees on the other side. That's all I gotta say. Man, how long is that train? Can people walk to work? There you go. We're putting them on. Hold on, what about center caps? There you go, guys, they're on. Not that many lug nuts on them, but they're on. Much wider in the well. I think they're perfect. Yeah, you're never gonna see it there. I think that's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect.